This video is a short part of our longer course, which is available on our website. So if you're interested in doing the full course, then please visit our website below.
We are going to use Figma, which is a design project platform that could allow you to design anything from websites to apps to chatbots, anything really. In terms of organizing flowcharts and mapping out processes, we use Figma. It's free to use. And then we will move on to building our chatbot after. So it provides a visual way to organize your information or data, your ideas. It's really cool. So let's start a project. Let's go to here. Let's go to new project. It's telling me I want to create a new plan. So what do we want our chatbot to include? Let's just say we are building customer service. It's a customer service chatbot for our website, right? And you are in the business of consulting, right? Let's say you're like us and you do AI consulting, AI business consulting. Okay. So what type of information would I want? Let's just put 3 boxes here. What would clients ask for? What would clients want to know? Customers want to know, frequently asked questions. They want to know your pricing. They want to know about your company. They want to know probably how long have you been in business? When was your company founded? What else would they like to know? How to get more information? Yeah, probably want contact information, right? Let's say 70% of your clients are going to be coming for this information. Maybe they want to get information in regards to money back guarantee policies. Most of your clients are going to be coming for everything here, right? And let's just see if we could put it in a bullet point. Okay. Each of these things could be categorized into like a section. So we could say, to make it simple, we could say about us, or we could say pricing and frequently actions. For now, right? Money back guarantee policies would fall under pricing. How to get more information, that would fall under, let's say, email. Let's say, or chatbot. Let's say chat. Okay. The FAQ about your company would be about us. How long have you been in business would be about us. When was your company founded? How to get information, money back guarantee policies. These 4 main categories are covering everything mentioned here, right? So when we create our chatbot, we are creating our chatbot with these 4 things in mind, these 4 categories in mind, right? So we are creating our chatbot. First, we need to understand what is needed, right? Decide what we want the chatbot to do, and then respond accordingly. Okay. So for about us pricing, FAQ, and AI chatbot, what is needed, right? For the about us, we need the about us page. Yeah. For pricing, we could go with the pricing page, or we could use probably like a PDF or document explaining like prices. Okay. For the FAQ, we probably need a document. I just put here AI chatbot, right? So decide what to do. So understand what is needed. These are the things that are needed, right? Decide what to do. Once someone comes to your website and they say, okay, we want more information about the company, about us page, decide what to do. How are you going to present this information? There's a way for you to probably include the website's URL. That could be an option. Maybe you can send the user to the website, right? Where a new tab will be opened, and they will be moving away from the chatbot to the website. So you could utilize AI to extract information and present it to the user. We are basically going through each of these main categories and figuring out if a client was to come or if a user was to come to our chatbot, what are we going to decide for them? Are we going to include the URL? Are we going to send the user the websites? Are we going to use AI to extract the information? Are we going to ask more questions? All of these are things that we could do. And then we are going to respond accordingly. So there are different ways to go about different things. So at least we have some sort of idea. We have a plan.
We offer a 7-day free trial for anyone who's interested in signing up for a membership to access all of our courses. So you can get access to all of the live workshops, all of the pre-recorded courses, as well as that you can sign up for a 15-minute free consultation. So please visit the link below to find out more.
So this is called the knowledge base. The knowledge base, as we saw, because I'm using the sandbox version, we have access to 50 entries, right? Now, when I created a new project for the first time, it asked me to insert a URL. So this is the URL of a dummy website that we have created, right? So I enter the information, the URL in the knowledge base. So if I were to, I could see, right? And I could import this. So we have imported a URL, we have imported raw text. And if we were to preview and say, what is Business Coach Online? So if I were to enter this, right, which is an input, is a question being asked, is going to be sent to the knowledge base, right? The AI model is going to be used to extract information from the different sources within your knowledge base and give you a response based on the findings of the AI model. Is going to provide you with a response. So let me show you what that looks like. Sent, right? Cool. Based on the reference information, Business Coach Online appears to be an AI-powered learning platform that offers professional AI services for businesses, etc., etc. So what is happening is it extracts the information from your data sources. So you would see sources here, and this is in chunks. So we see here chunks. This would be a chunk. This would be a chunk. It gets the information from your URL, and it provides you an answer based on what you inserted here. And if you want to, you could change the AI model. So I'm using the default Claude 3.5 Haku. I hope I pronounced that correctly. I'm using the default AI model. But if you wanted to, remember I said before, you can select a more intelligent AI model. Yeah, ChatGPT 4 being one of the more expensive ones, which is going to give you a more intelligent answer, right? This is what the chatbot is doing. When you insert information, is using this as a instructions base or a systems base. So you could modify this if you know that you want to provide a specific answer to a certain target audience. You could modify the information here, which would be in essence the system of your chatbot. So you could just enter the instructions accordingly or the system instructions accordingly and get a specific answer based on your audience, right? But I'm not going to modify it. I'm going to just leave it like that for now. And yeah, you could add more things if you want. If you could add a PDF, text document, sitemap, whatever the case might be. Right. So this is where the magic happens, in my personal opinion. Once you insert a certain amount of data here, if I were to say, for instance, our consultant See? So it extracts the information accordingly in chunks, as we could see here. It's looking at the URL, it's looking at the text that we entered, and based on the efficiency of the information that it extracted, it will give you a chunk score. But this is a chunk, and it's saying based on all of the data sources that we have inserted, it gives us a response. Amber specializes in Zapier and General specializes in AI chatbots, right? So cool.
This video is a short part of our longer course, which is available on our website. So if you're interested in doing the full course, then please visit our website below.